small for your great hand. Lord, please include me in all your plans. I'm a willing vessel, work through me. Cleanse his heart and purge all